Hi guys, I'm Pete. This is Trading Kitchen. Welcome to this new uh, video. Today, I want to focus on EURGBP because something quite interesting is going on these days, and about Euro GBP. I already posted a very interesting video on YouTube, and here you can find a link on my profile in TradingView as well. Same strategy that I explained on the video today. As you can see, I set here an alert on 15 minutes time frame, and using the same strategy of the video, I want to show you why I could consider a short, okay, on a Euro GBP on an intraday perspective. So, as usual, let's begin on with a multi-time frame analysis. So let's move on a weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, what we can see. Let me zoom. We can see a massive zone, okay, in which, as you can see, price reacts so many times, okay, so many times. Here, price seemed to want to make a higher high, but it was not able to do that. So, first signal of weakness, this one, okay. Price broke the 200 EMA, which is one of my favorite signal of a trend changing. So it broke the EMAs once and twice. Now we talk about 25 of January, now February, okay. So on a very long-term overview, we are now in such a kind of indecision of the market, okay? But to be honest, I suppose that price want to reach this zone to try to broke this very huge resistance area, okay? We have a trend line here as well. Here. And obviously, as you can see, this is a very powerful demand zone, okay, in which I suppose now, and this is the reason for which I consider a short right by now, in which price probably wants to get some liquidity, okay, to go up. But as you can see, as price will broke this supply zone and this trend line, okay, we are, so I mean, a bearish overview is, on my opinion, strongly recommended, okay. Let's move on a daily time frame, in which, as you can see, we started to think about a downtrend, okay, a downtrend. Obviously, I repeat, this is a very huge area that needs to be broken to finally consider a short, okay, to finally be sure that the trend is changed and we are on a bearish perspective, okay. But as you can see, this is the trend line, this is a fake breakout, I go quick because I already explained this in the video that I spoke to you before, and then re-enter the channel, retest the trend line. Okay, so this is a clear signal. This is some kind of fake breakout. Okay, in which price then re-enter the channel. Okay, this was a very powerful supply, demand zone as well. Okay, but it was not enough to change the main trend, which is downtrend on a daily. Okay, so we are on a bearish perspective. Okay, this is meaning that I only look for a short. Okay, even we are on a daily, even if we are on an intraday. Okay, so probably the weekly and the daily time frame are too much. Okay, to consider for considering an intraday short. But to be honest, I prefer to stay by the primary trend. Okay, so let's move down on a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, as you can see, same old story. Okay, so this is a huge demand zone, and price tried to broke once, twice, 3 times. Okay, and now price made this huge engulfing candle, which is not closed yet, but I suppose that it will be an engulfing. So what does it mean? It means that probably price will try to broke, okay, the zone, and before doing that, probably, it will retest. Okay, it will retest to grab liquidity, and finally broke this zone. So this is such a kind of breakout strategy, but I don't like, to be honest, the trading the breakouts, because let's move off 15 minutes time frame. I show you why I don't like breakouts. Breakout strategy is something quite similar to, I set a stop loss. I am sorry, a pending order here. Okay, but the reason I don't like is that we are not on the right side of the statistic. I mean, almost always, price needs to breathe. Okay, so what does it mean? I mean, the price will probably broke the zone. Okay, so fill my order and then retest here. Okay, just to uh, uh, grab liquidity. Okay, all the liquidity needs to finally go down. Okay, I don't want to. I prefer to miss the chance. Okay, but I don't want to support all this drawdown. Okay, I don't want to take all this drawdown. I prefer to wait for the price to broke. Okay, and finally, this finally gives to me the confirmation that, well, the trend is bearish. Okay, and price want to broke the structure, retest the zone, and then goes down. Okay, so I prefer to set a sell limit here. Okay, but To be honest, I don't use pending orders. The reason is that the momentum, I want to consider the momentum, okay? Because if price makes such a kind of movement like this, okay, gradually goes up, okay, take my order and finally go down, it is good. I really like such a kind of this movement, okay? But if price make this, it means that he probably it is doing a fake breakout, okay, in which price only need a liquidity here, okay, to broke this channel, to broke, sorry, this structure, sorry, and to go up, okay, to go up. So the reason for which I don't use a pending order is this one, basically. Okay, so I wait for the price to reach this zone, which is the 65 of Fibonacci, 75 of Fibonacci. That is my favorite zone. We are on a premium zone, so the right zone to consider a short. Okay, I wait for a dominance, so I wait for a confirmation that we are on a downtrend like this, and then I open trade. Okay, guys, the stop loss is always a few pips above the higher high, so this impulse, okay, look at this impulse, this big wick, okay, it means that price reject this level, okay, so it is a very good signal. The ATP was the first one could be here, conservative, okay. The second one, let's move down a 4-hour time frame, is so let's move left, yeah, is, sorry, where is, here, that could be probably the same. Yes, it's the same. This is my TP, only one, okay, just because I suppose for an intraday trading, okay, we are on intraday, I suppose that here price will react, okay, so I just want to take only this movement, and then let's see, okay. This is the reason for which I don't use pending order. Another reason, okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below, and see you on the next video. Thank you.